Hi everyone, you're welcome to another episode of Settlement Talila. Sorry this coming late in the night. I'm a bit under the weather, like my uh, Christian brothers and sisters used to say. Let the weak see I'm strong. So I'm a bit strong, and but I think it's very important that I drop something today because it's the festive season. First of all, I will be live on Nigeria Info tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. talking about safety when it comes to this season that we had, this vacation season, so bear with me, I'm Yoruba boy, proper one. So this vacation season, and there are things we need to put in place. First of all, I would start by trying to analyze how we should try to prioritize. That is what prioritize. How we just make sure that we put control measures to make it simple for us. Let's start from our own that we are living to the journey, that is the journey, maybe you are going through public transport or your car or whatever, and your destination and coming back home. The home you are living, how safe it is. All electrical appliances should be discharged, should be switched off. It's very important because electricity are one of those sources of electrical fires, and when you're not at home, definitely it is going to, whenever there is an electrical fault or something, or there's a high voltage and there's a fire, you know what next. So we try as much as possible to switch off all our electrical appliances. Inform your trusted neighbors that you're not going to be around, so that they will be able to help you in having a one-eye check for security reasons on your house. And also make sure that your doors and windows are locked, because apart from theft, we have issues of birds, animals entering the home, and you want them to go to your kitchen, especially when we have rats and the like. So make sure that all your homes are secure and closed. So when you're leaving, if you're going to spend more than 1 day, 2 days outside, it's better that you have your outside light off and your inside light on, so that those that are outside, that is your neighbors, will be able to see whatever is happening inside, in case there's someone who has invaded your home. Talking about the journey, if you're using your car, make sure that you spend your car properly. There's what we call checklist in health and safety. Make sure that you check every single part of your vehicle, your fluids, your brake, the engine. Make sure that they are very sound and ready to go for the journey. Don't try to manage, please. Don't try to manage. If you are going for a long journey, try to have enough fuel, anyone. Try to have enough fuel, then water, your radiator. I think I don't have a car yet, so all those things. Make sure that you do full check. Your tires, make sure that they are good, in good condition. And when you are where you get to where you are going, that is maybe for picnic or wherever you want to, make sure that there's, number one thing that is very important is proper supervision. Supervise your kids, monitor them, make sure that they are not so close with strangers. It's very important. You don't know who is there with you. Make sure that you put control measures in place, proper supervision. Encourage your kids. The kind of fun they have. If someone is allergic to height, don't force him or her to go on height. There are so many issues of accidents. If you are going to the beach, monitor your kids. If you are going to a public area, make sure that COVID-19 is real. I won't lie to you. COVID-19 is real, and you need to put preventive measures or controls that have been stipulated by the government to make sure that we reduce the spread. So reduce your contact with people, make sure that you have fun, enjoy yourself. Fun is very important when it comes to mental health, so we won't tell you not to have fun, but make sure that we put enough controls as much as possible. Where we are there, make sure your kids are safe. Where you are parking your car, make sure it's the right place you park your car. Make sure that you put everything to make it secured. And when you are going back, once again, inspect your car again before starting your journey. And on your way back home, don't drive, even when you're going, don't drive at a higher speed. You have a family. One critical thing about traveling with your family is that the high risk, because you're putting all your families together in a particular car, and there's high risk there. It's an high risk zone, so it's a high risk zone, so you need to make sure that you drive safely and obey the traffic rules. So when you're back home, I think the next thing is for you to thank God for getting back home. So I wish you all a good holiday, vacation, picnic, whatever tour, wherever you are going to. try to stay safe. It's very important that we are safe. Safety comes first. It's when we are safe that we are now able to think about other things. When we are not safe, then we will not be in our right senses to talk about productivity. We will not be in our right senses to talk about innovation, ideas, anything that has to build the nation or to build our own personal brand. So thank you and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain Waliola. Thank you and God bless you. Sorry there's no song today because I'm doing it live. No connection or anything. Bye.